Nau Mai. Hi, my name is Sarah.
And more Arturo. Winton School, I'm BJ. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rob Party, the 25th of June.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is takute, which is Tyria for doctor.
I need a doctor.
What's your problem?
Oh, never mind. Kapa, Mr. T's problem solving team. You have a lunchtime session today in the group room at 12:40. Kia ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, the PTA sausage sizzle and hot chocolate are back on sale tomorrow. Yay!
Remember to take your money to the library and get your stamp for your card.
And speaking of tomorrow, good luck to Year 6 Rippa Rugby team at Southland Comp.
Go Winton! Good luck, everyone.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. All icy and muddy areas around the school are out of bounds.
Playing away from the mud and ice. It's winter. Anyone caught bringing in mud inside will be in trouble. BJ.
Sarah. All A-slot posters need to be into the office tomorrow. Kia ora.
Okay, into house challenge news. All year 5 and 6 students who want points for their house go to the hall after you're eating your lunch at 12:45 and make paper planes. Zoom!
For sure, the best girl and boyfriend each house will represent next week for House Glory.
That's all year 5 and 6 students who can't wait to throw their darts in the hall at 12:45 Zoom!
Okay, thanks for tuning in from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud when it's school. Sarah's out.
Ow.